Life is such an amazing thing, isn't it? Some people come in our life, obviously for a reason, but leave an impact, leave an impression. And that impression is just like you write something with a pen, no matter what kind of correction fluid you use, whitener or any kind of fluid, that mark always remains. On the other hand, there will be people who will walk in your life, who will try their level best to leave a mark, but somehow you just are able to erase it. You are able to, uh, I mean, forget those people or somehow don't remember them frequently or often, isn't it? Very often. So, my advice for you through this video is our life is like a blank page and you need to write something on it. So, make sure that your message leaves a mark, a permanent mark on the people. There are so many different kinds of people in this world. Don't ever try to impress them. Just be the way you are, be natural, have your own principles in life, and never let anyone use you, abuse you, or exploit you. Always be there where you get respect. Never be at a place where there is no respect for you. Always do something in your life which gives you a lot of respect. Don't run after money. I want you to run after work, run after learnings. Money will automatically come. That is why I keep telling you never follow money. Money will come to you automatically. So, what you need to follow is your dreams, your goals, and work. Take care and remember that this life is a blank page. So, whether you write with a pen or pencil, make sure that your message is meaningful, inspirational, and leaves a mark.